Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pancake Crypto Night. So in this video today, right now, what I want to show you is KCP. This app that I show you, I think I've made the video about it before, but in this video I'm going to redo the video for you again and also show you how to unlock this airdrop you get on this app, the free money you see on this app. I'm going to show you everything on how to withdraw the money, how to unlock this dollar, this huge dollar you see on this screen, and I'm going to show you everything and how to start with it, how to import your account to the trading app, and how to start the withdrawal. So right now guys, let's dive into it and let me show you how to do it.
Play Store, Google Play Store, and download KCP, this one. So you can see that I have it already. So download it and open the app.
This is what you are going to see. You are going to see create chain ID. You are going to see import chain ID. So these two options is what you are going to see. These two options, those are the two things you are going to see. As a new member, what you need to do is to click on create chain ID. But if you have ID before, if you have joined before, then you can import chain ID. You can use your import, you can use the import, then use your chain ID to log in. But as a new member, click on create chain ID, open the door to a new world. So click on it now. You are going to see next is this page. So the chain ID will be generated for you. All you need to do is to click to copy. Click to copy here. That is what you are going to click to copy. So after you click to copy, the next thing you need to do is to click on enter new password, enter the secure password again. Then you need an invitation code. This invitation code you see here is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry, you will still get it, because that invitation code is going to give you more coin when you use an invitation. So invitation code you can use this. So you can use 54U73U as your invitation code. So after you put your everything, then click on create ID and make sure you back up this chain ID. Make sure you back it up, make sure you keep it very safe. Make sure you keep your chain ID very safe. The one you copy, the one you just copied, make sure you keep it very safe. So after that, let me show you what next. Agree to the terms and conditions, which is their privacy agreement. Agree to it. Then boom, this is what is going to show it to you. Zero balance like this. So this is what is going to show to you. If you click on check in daily, you are going to get at least, maybe, let's see how much you're going to get. So you get one KCP, which worth $14. So that one is for that. So the next thing to do is to click on this bind. Now this is the code you are going to use. Click on bind on your own, then use this code. Use this code on your own. Click on it, then use 54U, which is capital letter U, 73U. So this is the code you are going to use to bind your account. But for you, if you want to send it to your friends, then they can use your own code to bind their account. So when you use this code, they are going to give you the airdrop. So click on OK, then check your balance. Go back and check your balance. You will see your balance have increased to $2,889. So that is how to get the airdrop first. So right now I am going to show you the next step. So I'm going to show you that in my second account. I'm going to use my second account to continue this video. I'm going to use it for you. So I'm going to show you how to start unlocking this money you see up here. How to start unlocking it. The reason I'm using my second phone for this is because this phone is full. So to install that second app on it, the second app you are going to use for trading is going to make this phone giving me notification every time. So I don't want that, because that is a disturbance that disturb me so much. So I'm going to use my second account now to continue and show you how to start unlocking this money.
So this is what you need to do to start unlocking this money. This is what you are going to be doing. Very simple. Just watch and learn from it.
This is how to get started with it, how to get started with it. So as you can see I have about $6,469.80 here. That is about 449.99 KCP token. And I have not shown you how you are going to be unlocking this money you are seeing up here. This money you are seeing, I have not shown you how to unlock it, but right now I am going to take you step by step on how to start unlocking it gradually, how to start unlocking the money. Now the first step you need to do is to go to Kcpay.io. Kcpay.io. Go to Kcpay.io and download this. So this is Kcpay.io. You can see, so you can read many things about them. You can read their white paper here. You can see many things about them. The unlock, the leader, the swap, everything. This is them. So you can read many things about them in case you have not read things about them, in case you don't know much about them. And you can also use their contract address and use it on your Trust wallet or on your MetaMask. This is our total supply. They have 10 billion KCP token total supply. So you can read many things about their tokenomics, everything. You can read it. So the things I want you to do is to download this version first. This version, this is what you are going to download first. So after you download it, it will take you, then you have to use this your chain ID to log in. So come back to this app. To get your chain ID, then click here. So after you click on it, they will ask you for your password. Input your password, then click on OK. So when you click on it and click on OK, you are going to see your chain password, your chain ID there. So I'm going to tell you what you are going to do with it. So this is my chain ID here. So you can just click on copy, and this is the verification code. So I'm going to show you what you are going to do. Copy this chain ID you see here, copy it. So after you have copied it, go back to the new KCP you download on their site, on their website. Go there and you are going to use it there. After you come into the new app, this is what you're going to do. You can see import chain ID here. more benefits are included. Create chain ID, import private key login. So the first one we want to go for, what we want to go for here is this one, the import chain ID. So the chain ID you copied on that first app, click on import chain ID, then input it here. Input your chain ID here, then input the verification you see there. Let me show you everything. Then you are going to input your password at the last here. So let me show you everything. So this is the chain ID you have to copy. So this is the chain ID here. This is the chain ID. Then for the verification, this is the verification. Then with your password, the password you used to create this account. So those are the three things they ask for you. Now input everything here. Input your chain ID, the verification, then your password, then click here on login. So you read their privacy agreement, then click on agree. After you read it, click on agree. So your account, your balance from that Airdrop app, your balance will show up here. This app is their trading app, so your balance will show up here. So you can see you have import your account, your wallet from that Airdrop one to this place. So in this way you can now start trading and unlocking this money here gradually. You will now be able to unlock it gradually. So now I am going to show you how to start trading, how to start unlocking it, how to start what to do. I'm going to show it to you in the next page now. How to start unlocking the money you see up here. How to start unlocking this money. So this is what you're going to do. Now go to N, click on N. On this N here, you are going to see a lot of, I think about 6 buttons right here which you can use. You can see them. We have main reversion, we have trend following, we have volume arbitrage, we have momentum tracking, we have swing arbitrage and high frequency trade. Each and all these functions you see here, they have their own minimum you can start with, and they have their own benefits. For instance, for this main reversion, you can start with at least 10 USDT. If you start with 10 USDT, you'll be earning 21.29% monthly. So this money, you are going to get it from whatever you have here. They are going to deduct it from whatever you have here. So you are going to have 21% of whatever you put in from this money you see here. So that is how you start unlocking them every day gradually. If you go for the trend following, you can see that you can invest with 10,000 TROX here, which will be giving you 25.55% on monthly basis. This is just like you are making money forever, everlasting. You can see the minimum you can start with it here. This one is $1,000 and it will be giving you 25.55% every month. You can say 25.55% of 1,000. You know it already. So that is how you start unlocking that money. For instance, if you want to go for this first one, the minimum you can start with it is 10 USDT, which is $10 and or 100 Tron, and there is no maximum for this one. There is no maximum. You can deposit. If you have $1,000, you can deposit it and you'll be making 21.29% of it every month.
So to do it now, all you need to do is to just come here, select the network you want to do, then deposit the money. Click here to receive. When you click here to receive, then you can choose the network you want to deposit through. So choose the network. Let's say I choose Tron. So you can use your Tron wallet address and deposit the amount you want to use to start unlocking this money you see up here. And the money will be unlocking for you every single day, every day you will be seeing it, and you can withdraw it. You can withdraw the money every single day when you unlock it. In a month, you are going to unlock 21.20 something percent of it. Like this, you can see it like this. This is how it's going to be unlocked. You are going to see it here. That is how it's going to be unlocked. So this is how to unlock the money you see here. That is how to unlock it. To withdraw this money out, this is what you're going to do. You can click here, transfer. You can see something here. You see from blah blah blah. If either you want to withdraw to your KC network or that KC network, so just click here. You can change it to Web3, which is BNB Web3 or the Tron USDT Tron. So I click on USDT Tron right now. I click on the Tron. So this, click here to change the network, the currency. It's either you want to withdraw direct to your Tron wallet or you want to withdraw to your USDT. Now input the wallet address here. Input the wallet address, that is your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Then input the amount you want to transfer out. Input it here. Then click on confirm. That is it. When you click on confirm, in less than 1 minute, you already know how cryptos work. In less than 1 minute, you will see the money on your phone, on your wallet, on your crypto wallet. So guys, this is how to unlock this money you see here, you get here on your Kcpay app.
So guys, I believe you enjoyed that video and you learned something from it. If you really do learn something on this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I drop another video more or such like this, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. So guys, goodbye for now.